Yo, what is good, everybody? Just wanted to make an announcement that the Gloving Academy Discord is starting a competition called The Drop, just as a celebration for reaching 200 members on the Discord. And basically what The Drop is we're going to be judging you based solely on The Drop. And we have a playlist out there. There's 10 songs right now, but there's going to be 11 because we have a community pick song. Playlist is pretty fire, guys. And so I thought this would be a fun way to kind of just celebrate 200 members and to kind of just have a fun competition, you know. And one of the things about The Drop is that you have to post basically 45-second to minute clip on social media. And yes, I am forcing everybody to post their clip on social media because of the changing landscape of how people are spending their time more on these platforms. I just figured, why not have a competition that's fun but also is a way to show more gloving to the people. And I feel like Gloving to The Drop, that's like what else can we show that's entertaining to the general audience than Gloving to The Drop? So I'm super excited. Submissions are open until September 30th, and judges are myself, I Am Dynamics, and I Am Mez. We're gonna watch all the submissions and basically score them based off whatever opinion we got. No crazy scorecard, is just based off what we feel. And yeah, man, I'm just super excited for this. You have to be part of the Gloving Academy Discord in order to participate. You need to upload the show to one of the songs in the playlist onto the social media. Then you have to post it on the Discord if you want to win. The prizes right now are $50, not just for one winner, but for two winners. I was thinking about doing one winner, $100, but I figured I was thinking $50 for just less than a minute clip of gloving. Like, that's freaking dope, man. And I thought, hey, more winners, more action, more fun. You know, for those of you who want to compete in something new and fun, this is it. The thing is, you only have one chance. It's basically one submission, two winners. If you're interested in joining, come join the Gloving Academy Discord. I'll put the link in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Peace. The Gloving Academy Discord is now open to the public. Here you can share light shows and ask to live with other glovers. We've got a great community dedicated to improving. This is the only place in gloving where you can get rewarded with free gloving gear just by being active and participating in public events happening every month. We've even got exclusive events available for Hyperstrobe members, from workshops to meeting other top-level glovers, as well as weekly educational content. We've got a growing library of resources available no matter what skill level you are. And if you would like for me to do a frame-by-frame video of your light show, you can submit your video on the Discord. This thing's only going to get bigger and better from here, so follow the link in the description to join.